Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get COD mobile mod menu. So this gives you season pass, unlimited COD points, credits, aimbot, wallhack, box ESP, fly mod, infinite ammo, infinite lives, and anti-ban. Of course we need that. So this is really cool, guys, and I will show you guys how to download it. So here's the app. It's called COD Mobile Plus Plus, and you open it up, you got the mod right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So it's really straightforward, guys. Just go onto this site right here, which is a really cool website if you're someone that like dabbles in mods. So let me just type it in. So once you're on the site, guys, go to the search bar and just type in COD. And as you can see, it says COD Mobile Mod. So just download it and you're good to go. See you later. But yeah, I mean, if you go to the App Store and type in COD Mobile, you'll see that it is never going to really work. So here's COD Mobile. It's no mod menu popping up for me. But since we get unlimited COD points and credits in our mod, you can see that the cost of COD points and credits is very, very expensive. So this is a great opportunity for you guys because you don't have to worry about spending money. So that's really just a incredible benefit. You get unlimited COD points, unlimited credits, all this cool stuff. So peace out, guys. I'll see you later. Be subscribed to the channel. As you can see, we got like fly mod, infinite ammo. So it's pretty loaded with features, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, I mean, subscribe to the channel. I'm just trying to educate everyone here and bring you all mods, because most mods don't even work at all. But this one actually works, and I wasn't banned, probably because there's anti-ban. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. So yeah, all you got to do is go to that site right here, Zoo Mods, and you're going to be good to go. So peace out, guys. This is awesome. And it's totally updated and everything. Daily updates, apparently, that are patched through, so you don't have to constantly update the mod. It just updates on its own. So I'll see you later, and peace out, my dudes.